Can you delete account bio history on Instagram? So let's get started. Firstly, let's go to your Instagram app and log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen in your profile. Now, once you're inside the settings and privacy, scroll down and look for the Your Activity option available there and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the Your Activity, scroll down and look for the Account History option available in there. Simply tap on the Account History. Now here you can see all your histories of accounts. Now simply tap on the Update Type option available in the top right corner of your screen and choose Bio and tap on the Apply option available there. Now here you can find all your account bio history. So can you delete it? No. Deleting your account bio history on Instagram is not a straightforward feature, but you can update or reset your bio. So basically, this bio history is private and only you can view it. So there is no need to worry about deleting it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.